Welcome back to Smart Needle. Antoinette here. Today I have something extra sweet to share with all of you. My brand new jars of joy toppers. Aren't they adorable? I just got 3 different jars: a golden honey jar, a cozy apple preserve jar, and a spice pumpkin jam jar. Each one is stitched in 4 hoop sizes. These cuties are perfect to turn into trivets, mug rugs, potholders, table mats, and so much more. And to make them even more realistic, each jar has a tiny wooden spoon at the side. Just the sweetest touch for your kitchen or a handmade gift. So grab your favorite fabric and thread, and let's get stitching. I would like to remind you that all Smart Needle embroidery designs can be stitched on either a single needle or a multi-needle embroidery machine. Okay, simple open your embroidery file, hoop 1 layer of tearaway stabilizer, and then run the first spool color directly over the stabilizer. Now we're going to cover the whole guideline with 2 layers of cotton batting. Then keep running your embroidery machine to do the tack down stitch that will attach the cotton batting to the project. After the tack down line is done, we are going to trim all around it. After the cotton batting is trimmed all around it, we're going to cover it with a pattern fabric of your choice, as the video shows. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach that pattern fabric to the project. Keep running your embroidery machine for the following spool color. It will do the first applique guideline, as the video shows. Now let's get our applique fabrics ready. Since we're working with blanket applique, I highly recommend adding heat and bond to the back of your fabrics. This helps create a strong bond between layers and prevent frying. As you can see, I'm pressing the heat and bond onto the back of my fabrics. Make sure to iron both sides, just like I'm showing you in this video. I also like to overcut my applique fabrics because that way I always have extra leftovers ready for future projects. Now lay down your applique fabric over the applique guideline. Just make sure you remove the paper backing from the back of the fabric. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach that applique fabric to the project. After the tack down stitch is done, you are going to trim all around it. The next spool color will do the blanket applique stitch all around the edge of your heat and bond applique fabric. Keep running your embroidery machine for the next spool color. It will do the next applique guideline, as the video show. In this case will be the jar tag. Now we're going to cover that applique guideline with a piece of fabric of your choice. In this case, we already put the heat and bond to it, so make sure you remove the paper backing before laying it down. Keep running your embroidery machine for the following spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach that applique fabric to the project. After the tack down line is done, you're going to trim all around it. Keep running your machine for the next spool color. It will do the blanket applique stitch all around the edge of that applique fabric. The following spool color, it will do the third applique guideline, as the video show. In this case, it will be the lid of the jar. This step is completely optional, but I love the extra touch it gives. I am adding a small piece of cotton lace right along the applique line, just like you see in the video. To hold it in place, I use a light sprayed adhesive, then I lay it down the applique fabric, making sure it fully covers the placement guidelines. Now keep running your embroidery machine for the following spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach that applique fabric to the project. After the tack down line is done, you're going to trim all around it. But be very careful because we don't want to trim the lace that is underneath. Keep running your machine for the next spool color. It will do the blanket applique stitch all around the applique fabric, as the video shows. The next spool color, it will do our last applique guideline, as the video shows. Now we're going to cover that applique guideline with a piece of pattern fabric of your choice. Just make sure that piece of fabric got heat and bond on it. I just pull it out from my leftovers Then keep running your embroidery machine to do the tack down stitch to attach that applique fabric to the project. After that tack down line is done, you are going to trim all around it. The following spool coloring will do the blanket applique stitch all around our last applique fabric as the video shows. Let your machine run through the next 4 spool colors. This will stitch the contour apple embroidery design for the jar tag. It's just so beautiful to watch it come to life. Our applique preserved jar topper is almost finished. Now we'll prepare 2 pieces of fabric, each large enough so that when we fold them in half, it covers 1/2 of the topper. Place the folded edges towards the center, overlapping them by about 1.5 to 2 inches as the video shows. Now let's keep running our embroidery machine for the last spool color. It will do a tack down stitch that will attach all the fabrics together. Now it's time to unhook the whole project, and then we're going to cut all around that tack down line, leaving about 1/4 of an inch seam allowance as the video shows. Now it's time for the finished touch. We are going to carefully turn the entire project inside out. Take your time as you push out the corners and gently shade the curves so the outline of the jar looks nice and smooth. Once that's done, give your topper a good press with the iron on both sides. This step really makes a big difference. The heat will not only flatten the seams and sharpen the edges, but it will also fuse all the heat and bond on the applique fabrics, locking everything neatly in place. The result is a crisp, clean finish that looks beautiful from every angle. Now it comes the fun part, the details. I am adding a little leather tag on the side of the jar, just like you see in this video. This small touch really gives that feeling of handmade craftsmanship. Plus, it's the perfect holder for the teeny wooden spoon, which make our jar look so realistic and charming. With this final detail, your jar of joy are ready to shine, and they'll make the most perfect handmade gift for the upcoming holidays. And here they are, all finished and ready to enjoy. Aren't they just beautiful and sweet? We have the golden honey, the cozy apple preserve, and the spice pumpkin jar. Each one is stitched with love and perfect for the fall season. I just adore how the colors and details bring them to life, and of course, the small wooden spoon at the side add that extra special touch to charm and realism, making this topper not only adorable for your own kitchen, but also the perfect handmade gift to share with family and friends this holiday season. Now it's giveaway time. I am so excited about this one. I am giving away a beautiful glasses case with a sweet aqua sewing machine design on it, and a bright fabric bundle full of cheerful colors, and a fun green glue gun USB stick to safety store all your embroidery designs. To enter is super easy. Leave a comment below this video. No purchase necessary. You must be a US resident only. This giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube in any way. The winner will be announced in future videos, so make sure you subscribe and have the bell turned on so you don't miss it. Good luck, and thank you so much for participating. Bye-bye. Our jar of joy are now complete, and I just love how sweet and festive they turn out. The little wooden spoon detail really makes them come alive and turn them into the perfect handmade gift. Please, if you like my videos, give it a thumbs up. That will help me to keep bringing more videos for all of you to enjoy. See you next time.